What is a critical factor when choosing a property for own stay or investment? Location. What do you mean by location? Does it mean near MRT or does it mean near Central? Today, Property Runway is at Midtown Residences, which tick all the boxes for locations plus growth potential. Not only is this next to an upcoming MRT interchange, but it is also along the new Cross Island line, linking the east to the west by 2029. However, when buying a property, location is not the only factor that we look at. We also want to look at how rentable a project is. Midtown is basically a mixed development, which means it has both residential and shops downstairs. It is also a full facility condos with only 160 exclusive units. This condo is simply convenience at its best. Hence, it's very easy to attract tenants. Today, we have a 2-bedrooms apartment available for grabs. Located on a high floor, the owner has beautifully renovated this entire house. The size is 657 square feet. What's more, overlooking the pool, it brings out a sense of peace as you bask on the balcony. Each bedrooms are a good size, all able to fit a queen-size bed really comfortably. So if you are renting it out, you can rent it out easily to a young couple or a couple of friends living together. Rentals at the moment starts from $2,100 onwards. Like to check out this property for investment or your own stay? Call Property Runway today for our exclusive viewing. See you!